Okay, this video is about the quick red clamp versus the trigger clamp. Which one is the best? So watch and see for yourself. This is the quick red clamp and this is the trigger clamp. Let's put it on the light. Now tell me which one was the best, the black one or the chrome one?
The black one.
Why?
Because you just hang it up there and just let it hold on by itself and tighten it up instead of having to do all that extra time pushing the screw in and tightening it.
This is a bad choice because if you try to put it here, you can't get that connect. You can't screw that in. That's why this is bad. Yeah, that's what I was trying to show them. It's hard. You can't screw it. You're stuck. Can't do anything. But you can put the black on there and be fine.
So
Yeah, you can screw it. Fine, perfectly fine. So this you can put anywhere. Versus this, you can't. So your best choice, the black one. Be blessed.
there you have it, folks. If you are interested in these clamps, hit us up at McKinney Sounds. We also sell them as well. And thank you for watching.